You said it would be easy, and you'd still be with me, but you know it's a be seen, and you know that's what I need. You said it would be easy, and you'd never leave me, so can you show me?
Is it all coming? Or?
Yeah, everything's coming off easy.
Yeah, well, I just had all that off.
I know, last year when you did the headlights.
No,
oh, you pulled it all apart?
A couple weeks ago when I replaced the bulbs and I fixed the wiring.
I know, I have to pull it all off to get to all of these. You have some WD-40?
Yeah.
It'd be nice to spray all this stuff.
See, look at this. Look at this
oh, okay, I didn't even look
nice
at
repair. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. If you have some WD-40, that'd be nice to spray down all this, because I'm going to have to undo all that hard work. That's going to be a pain in the ass. So one sucky thing about these trucks, gotta take apart the whole front end.
Can you tell me what's going on? Where you've gone? 'Cause I need to know. Can't be alone. I need to know. Do you need me like you say you do? Need you to tell me not to go. Pull me back from the horizon.
So, you gotta do the 2-finger twisty under there. Bolt there. There. And there. So you do 2 bolts on the side.
You're changing the front bumper.
Right?
You're changing the front bumper.
Yeah, you gotta take the headlights and the grill out.
That's crazy.
It's not changing the front bumper, it's changing the front bumper piece. Change the bumper,
Just
you
the
actually
one
have to
piece.
take the fenders out.
Oh god.
Yeah, you have to take all the plastic fenders out. There's about, for this bumper, there's 8 bolts. Pain in the ass.
So what you're saying is you only replace this part.
I'm only replacing this part.
Okay.
Yeah, I had to remove all this for the half of the bumper. Just the decorative piece of the bumper.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass.
Where's the other one?
It's in the back of the truck.
Oh, okay.
It flew off a long time ago.
Okay.
Oh wow. Alan, he said wow. You got a whole wow from a 12-year-old. You might as well be a celebrity. You gotta pull up the
Well, Alan, I'll tell you a funny story before I go. Not too funny though.
This one pushes my hips in weird.
So, changing my winter tires this spring,
Shots are on you.
broke a bolt. Okay? I only got 4 bolts holding on my summer tires. Phone a friend. Can I go on 4? Are they all side by side? Yeah, they're all side by side, right? Because the one missing's a 5 bolt. So I'm like, yeah, he's like, yeah, you can go on it for a while. Talk to my mechanic. Yeah, you can go on 4 for a while. I wouldn't go too long. Okay, make sure they're tight. Yeah, okay. I probably over torqued them. I over torqued them. Okay? Put a pry bar on there and I'm just torquing them down, alright? So all of a sudden, didn't know this happened. I broke another one, but didn't know it because it's inside the hubcap, right? All of a sudden it sounds like I'm driving a helicopter, not a car. Sounds like a helicopter. Every time I turn this way, sounds less. Turn that way, do 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 do. Okay, like the blades. All right. Get it home after I drove to my house to Powerview, from Powerview to Winnipeg for an appointment, and then back home. Get it home, jack it up. I can use the wheel. I can jimmy it. It's that loose. And I broke a 3rd bolt. I only had 2 left. My friend's like, okay, we'll put new bolts in. He comes Saturday morning, we'll put new bolts in. Snapped another one. He's like, Don't touch it. Get it towed. I have to have a new axle, new hub, new wheel. What am I talking about? New rim. You know why? Because I ovaled. Yeah, I oblonged all the holes. So I'm still here today because I didn't die. Because at 110, 150, that thing didn't come flying off my car in 59. Aren't I lucky?
I'm so old. Mom tricked me to be old.
Oh, I'm sure I'm not the only one. Like people, it breaks under their hubcap. They don't know it's broken, right? You don't see one missing.
It sounds weird, and then we go for the test drive. Oh yeah, it does sound
It
weird.
does sound
Bring
weird.
it in, we're like, happens all the time.
So $600, new rim, new bolts, new hub assembly because I warped that in the process. What's that? My guy, they're pretty good in Power View.
Yeah.
Like one of the mechanics is one of my past students, so he treats me really good.
Yeah, no, that's
He,
a really
he
good
only does what needs to be done, tells me what I can and can't drive on, and yeah, and they've been good. But
Well, it's getting harder. Shops are getting fucking harder. We had one come in. Lady had car went in twice for the same thing. Her rear wheels are squeaking.
axle or tires? Like axle or rims?
She was just hearing a squeak from the rear tires.
Yeah.
It was the brakes.
Oh, just the brakes.
First time they replaced the pads and rotors. Second time she went back in within the month. Second time they replaced the pads and rotors.
And charge her for all that brand new. Oh, frick.
Until next time, my fan cats.
Well, we're gonna have to charge you new rotors and pads, but I'm gonna tell you why. Your caliper's seized, so it's fully
frick.
extended out, pushing.
So they're
that.
not. They didn't replace the caliper. They're like,
So
hey,
replace
we're
the
gonna make some
caliper.
money on this lady.
I pulled all that off, and I was like, but this is the thing. This thing still squeak. Your thing still hears that squeaking sound because your entire e-brake assembly is seized and needs to be completely redone because the pads are gone and you're just scraping metal on the inside of that rotor. So your thing still hears squeaks. And the thing is, I can replace all the pads and the cables and stuff, but your thing still hear that squeak because your cable's seized. So I have to redo your entire assembly. I put new calipers and rotors, so you won't be blowing through pads and rotors now.
Yeah,
You're not getting rid of that squeak anytime soon.
Oy. Was she at least happy with that?
No, because now she has to go back to the other shop
Try and get them
and
to.
try and be like, well, here's the information. Like, why the fuck?
Yeah, why'd
Why
you do
didn't you
this to
fix
me?
this the first time?
Yeah. Why didn't
So
broken?
she might come back to get the entire. The problem is they'd be taking off the exhaust, and taking off the heat shields because the E cable is running underneath the heat shields for the exhaust.
Heat shields. First thing to fall off the bottom of your car.
Oh yeah.
As long as you're not dealing with bills that have to
So and shops are getting worse.
That's
And this is the thing. When I went to originally apply for most of these shops, because I have to work underneath a full red seal.
Yep.
You would be surprised how many of these shops operate with nobody certified.
The other one in Power View, same freaking thing. They were doing that for months, and I was like, they're like, Christian, don't take your car. Like, there's 2 shops in in Power View. My student used to work at the one across from the school. Now he works at St. Croix, which is further down. But I just get a ride to them because it's worth it for the service.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, it's you'd be surprised how many shops out there have nobody certified. Because I went to apply to get all these shops, and I'm telling them in the interview and stuff. I'm like, well, do you have someone under a red seal? Because I need someone to sign off on my hours for my
Yeah.
my
Apprenticeship, eh?
apprenticeship. And they're just like, no. I'm like,
Wow.
well, then I can't work for you.
No.
I'm not going to work for
And
you.
I would never come to you because that's risky, man.
There's only the dealerships in Southern
as in
and
weight-wise?
2 shops
Yes, your
have
cats are fat.
certified mechanics.
I've only had those 2 cats for like
He
5 years now.
also was
There's
fat when
13 shops in
I
Southern.
have a cat that's not our fault.
You see why he has a
crazy.
little pawn chain down
Well,
there?
take care,
He's
bud.
super fat.
And I'll tell you what's all
He's
over the house.
a very healthy
I've had those cats
Your
for 5
girlfriend's
years
awesome.
and before those
Take
years
care of
I
her.
was fat, so I have no idea what a normal cat looks like.
Oh, she's
Because
really
I'll
nice.
see this skinny thing.
I know it's not So you don't know.
So finishing a second location because it got dark and she needed it back and doing stuff. So now there's horses. You're a good horse. There's the other one. Hey there, dog. Been a while. You're good. So yeah, that bumper's just the pain because you gotta get your handle in there and tuck her in for bed and give her the old 1 2 1 2 1 2 with the bolts to get the threader in before you snap her down. And maybe you snap 1 or 2, but that just comes with the job. But main #1 rule, get her done. But so you know the video's not over yet because you gotta stick around because guess what? This thing on the channel still gotta be played with. And this winter, this thing is getting restored. Because we got the new frame for it there. That's covered in all this. I just ripped off the truck because I don't want it on the truck. But the good old Schneider septic truck. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You'll get, and maybe that bell, a little bell notification. You'll get notifications when we start working on this old 72. And you know we will, because there's the old 67 cab. There's a 67 1-ton cab. There's a 67 1-ton frame. And this is a hobble of whole parts, but it's a 72 1-ton. So if you want to know, like, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned a little bit. Maybe buy a shirt or 2 from the website because that will support this build because I'm not making any money on this. This is staying in the family. I'm doing this because I want to do this while there's still there's still generations standing and the 4th one's coming. Because they're probably there's problems with keeping that many generations alive at one time. It's hard. But even this old thing, she sputters a couple times. I got payment for doing the oil change now. Looks pretty good.
So I'm not going. Yeah, you can tell me what's going on. Waited too long, 'cause I need to know. Can't be alone. I need to know.